When you're in the support room, change your name to, like, put, like, uploaded or something in your name, okay?
Okay.
You were moved.
Alright, he just told me to record myself not being able to, what's it called? Repair. I'm just doing that.
You were moved.
What's up, Imperials? How could I help you today? Oh, okay.
User joined your channel.
Alright, who's the other god set?
We only have one, I think.
Wait, what kind of set are you wearing right now?
Prot one.
Oh, in our armor chest we have... Yeah, we have 2 Prot 3 and 2 Prot sets.
User entered your channel.
Yeah, I've been killing
You
so
were
many
moved.
people.
User joined your channel.
Yeah, Imperials.
Hold on 1 sec. Yeah.
Hello, can you, right. Apparently it's the anvil because when the map was, wait, when did you place this anvil down?
It was just a few hours ago is when my friend placed it.
I don't know. If you try replacing the anvil, it might work. I don't know, apparently the
User
anvil
was moved to your channel.
He said he placed it like a couple of hours ago.
Oh. Try another anvil, see if it works. Anvil's a bug.
Let me make that.
Alright, one second, you've got in there, hang on.
User left your channel.
Here, we have another one up here. I'll just try that one.
Alright.
I have to relog as I don't have any of the levels.
What are you trying to repair?
My looting sword. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Did you get it in a crate?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't repair those.
We can't repair the armor either.
Oh. I don't know then. Give it a shot.
Alright. Because I can repair the pickaxes from them. Nope, it doesn't work.
Upload the video then.